Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how mindfulness can support happier and healthier relationships with our loved ones. Start by finding a quiet place to sit. As you root down through your sitting bones, let your back straighten without hardening. Softly close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and arms, and comfortably rest your hands in your lap. Now, take a few expansive breaths. Deep, full inhales. Soft, releasing exhales. And let your breath settle effortlessly now. As you breathe in, feel your ribs and lungs gently expanding at the front, back, and sides of your body. As you breathe out, notice your ribs and lungs softly releasing. And for the next few moments, just keep watching the breath flowing in and flowing out, gently maintaining your awareness on the ceaseless ebb and flow. Now, staying present with your breathing, let your attention expand so that it also includes your whole experience. With your breath as an anchor, make room for whatever arises. You might notice sounds in the room around you or from inside your body. Perhaps there are physical sensations, both strong or subtle. You might observe particular thoughts or emotions arise. Whatever comes up for you, simply make a mental note of it and then let it dissolve, returning to your easy breath time and time again. And rather than focusing on anything in particular, allow your awareness to remain open to whatever comes up. You don't even have to name it. Just make room for your experience as it is, greeting whatever arises with acceptance and curiosity. Your breath, like an anchor, amidst it all. Now, let your attention widen even further. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that allows us to deepen our relationships with ourselves. It teaches us to be present to our body, our thoughts, and our emotions, releasing self-judgment and building self-acceptance. Our practice gives us valuable tools to manage our emotions, enabling us to feel into them, observing and allowing emotions without lashing out. This is called emotional intelligence. And as we learn to navigate our emotions in a healthy way, we are building the foundations for happier relationships. As mindfulness grows, it spills out, affecting the way we perceive and relate to the world around us. The health of our relationships depends on our capacity to interact with others and respond to them with awareness. It is only when we become accountable for our own actions, words, and thoughts that we can be open and truthful with our loved ones. Mindfulness teaches us to pay attention, to be present, to listen deeply, and to act with kindness and compassion. We learn to show up authentically, to find strength in our vulnerability. And when we enter into our relationships with these gifts and qualities, our connections grow and deepen. They fulfill us and nourish us. They help us grow individually and together. And from these good relationships, our well-being flourishes and the cycle continues. Now, gently return to your breath. Observe your effortless breath moving in and out. And when you're ready, bring soft movements back to your body. And gently open your eyes. Bring mindfulness into your interactions with others today, and we'll see you again soon.